Welcome to Asympcode. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video, we will learn to determine if a positive integer is a power of 2. To determine if a positive integer is a power of 2, we can utilize a simple mathematical property. A number is a power of 2 if it has exactly one bit set in its binary representation. This means that when we perform a bitwise AND operation between the number and 1 na 1, the result should be 0. Define our function. Check if the given positive integer n is a power of 2. A number is a power of 2 if it can be expressed as 2⁻k, where k is a non-negative integer, k greater than equals 0. Args, n, int, the positive integer to check. Returns, bool, true if n is a power of 2, false otherwise. First, we check if n is greater than 0. Now we check if n is a power of 2 using the property of binary representation. A number n is a power of 2 if n and n1 is 0 and n is not 0. Example usage. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to Asympcode and keep supporting us.